What's up, vlog? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be hiking at the SOLCOC Falls. See some waterfalls. It's a very special video because this is my first time. It's our first time seeing waterfall. And right now we're in the back of the truck on the way, and then this is what I'm looking at. So yeah, stay tuned for this mountain waterfall adventure. Wow! At a view deck.
We are going to some valley to see the people there. They are friendly people in Sorong Valley.
Hey, hey. Okay, look at this heart view. No, the dam right there. The dam? That's the dam right there. You see, that's the dam over there. And we came from like on the other side of this. So we would be here. We would be all the way there. Now we're on the other side. So yeah, that's the story. Okay guys, back on the back of the truck with my mom this time.
Hi, I'm here.
And she's trying to cover herself up so she doesn't get burned or something. And there's Dane.
No, this is the only way. We don't have the lander in the accent before.
My mom said that she took this way before, across the mountains and across the rivers to get to school.
It literally is across the water, across the river.
And look, she has me all covered up.
Guess who she doesn't?
That's the
Oh!
Did you get it?
Yes!
Ah! Wow, waterfalls exist. Oh, this
Guys,
is
if
the
you
road that my
remember
dad
the
took.
Jumanji bridge that I said in the last video, it's that one right. Oh, you can't see it, but it's that one right there. It's over there, over there, over there. There, there. Well, you guys see that? I hope you guys see that.
I did only the vlog.
I'm.
Vlog me winning.
Okay, go. I can't see you. It doesn't see you. Okay guys, so we're at a stop right now. My mom is gonna go back inside and she's trying to cover me up. Alright. Listen, we're in Isik.
Magtagdar kayo.
Oh! Whoa! Stop. OMG, my hair thingies are everywhere. But anyways, Tito Mayor and the police force had to go get some food, so we're here waiting under the shade. What's that? Oh, look, there's mangoes up there. I remember when my mom would go get mangoes on the tree from our neighbor when I was younger, right?
Yes, right.
Hey guys, so I think we are like at the entrance. Methinks. As you can see, this is where the road starts to get more foresty and waterfalling. Now we're moving. Here we go. Wow. Oh, the stick. Guys, so according to my mommy, this is the start of the falls. According to the one in there.
Hey, yo! Hi ka na. Hi ka naman. Agod na.
According to the Vintar locals, this is the start of the falls. Or maybe it might be the end of the falls. This is the end and we're going to the start. If you know what I mean.
It's walking
No,
about.
because the start is when it falls and the end is where it streams. See? It's streaming. And the road?
It's muddy.
Yep. Oh! Guys, it seems as though we're going through like a battle warfield over here. Oh, but look, it's so... We're like in the jungle. Maybe because we are in the jungle. The road is so muddy, guys. Look, this is what we had to cross over there. And this is the obstacle we're in right now. I feel like we've been in Jumanji this whole time. I guess we'll just have to get through this. Oh! Ah! Look, guys. And just like that, we made it. We made it through the muddy trail. Oh. One chance. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Carabao. Guys, the Carabaos are here. Guys, the Carabao is here. Black and big and horny. Oh look, there's one bathing! Did you see it?
And what? This feels like the safari adventure.
Why is it hiding in the... Okay guys, so we made it. Guys, I got my partner back. Say hi to the vlog. Hi to the gang.
Hey, gang.
Oh.
Oh, look at chicken! It just passed by. It was crossing us. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that chicken!
I'm getting it. So us and the rest of the gang are starting our way to the SOLCOC Falls. Oh, let's see.
Look at that thing.
Yes, man.
Where? There's my nanay hiking with us to the falls. Yeah, we're...
This is hiking already.
Yeah.
You start walking.
Hiking means walking.
Can you do it? Hiking to the wall. Oh. Did you guys see Dane fall? I'm gonna have to do like a slow-mo. Last time it was Zia, now it's Dane. Guys, look, there's a cow there. Did you see the Carabaos with the big horns?
Yep. But some of the baby carabaos was swimming and they were so cute.
Oh, you saw it too?
Yeah. Oh, wait, look at the cow.
I know.
We're closer to the cow. That's the water of the waterfalls. That water is going to the waterfall.
Cross it. Oh! I stepped on mud, guys. with my socks on. That's not funny. Oh, careful.
Be careful here, be careful here.
Do you feel like a fairy? I feel like a fairy.
You feel like a fairy?
Yep.
I feel like a fairy.
You do?
Everybody feel like a fairy if you're walking here.
Oh, look at the stream. Go on that one.
Oh! Ah! Ah! I don't
Yeah.
want to walk in there!
Oh, it's muddy.
Ah!
I have some great news. Guess who made it? My nanay. Yeah, go nanay, go! Nanay, how do you feel?
Oh, very good.
Okay guys, so now we have made it to falls.
Falls.
Whoa!
I can't believe the water does fall. Oh, wait. Oh, I recorded me peeing. I think these need to be
Oh!
sports.
I gotta pee. I need to pee so bad.
Well, there is a time and a place for everything.
Come on, let's eat.
Oh, go! Like father, like son. We gotta go rescue my father. Are you okay, Pops?
Yeah, come on.
Close-up shot of the waterfalls. Wow!
Oh, it's mud. It's pure mud.
Hey guys, here we are today. Waterfalls. Apparently, we're going to the second level too. The water's pretty cool, right?